containers that it works with Java 7, Java 6, and Java 5. So @scheduled is from Spring's scheduling support, and @schedules is a new annotation in Spring 4 that works with Java 8, but also works with Java 7 and Java 6. So you could use this on previous versions of Java with Spring 4, or you can go the new route if you're actually running against Java 8. So here again, this is a repeated annotation. Works only on JDK 8. And the other, we have this container, explicit container, and that works on Java 5 and above. So @schedules is not the only annotation. I think there's about 3 or 4 in the 4.0 and 4.1 timeline that actually make use of this this @repeatable annotation feature. Parameter name discovery. Again, I mentioned this. Most people have never heard of this in Java 8, but it's actually useful in Spring. So what's new? In Java 8, there's a new parameter reflection type that allows you to figure out what the names are, for example, of parameters passed into a method using reflection. But that's only available if you compile your code with dash parameters. So you might be familiar with the -debug compile time flag from the past. So what we have here now is a standard reflection parameter name discover. Mouthful there. What it does is basically it tries to read parameter names using Java 8's new parameter type if it's available, and then we have this default parameter name discover, which delegates to that, and it first checks to see if it can find the parameter names using Java 8's parameter support, meaning if your code was compiled with dash parameters in Java 8, and if not, then it will use ASM-based reading of debug symbols, so pulling up the name of the parameter from the actual bytecode if you compiled your code with -debug, and otherwise it's going to fail and not be able to figure out the parameter name. So that all seems a bit Greek or bizarre. Let's look at a concrete example. Here we have a Spring MVC controller class. We have a method here, @request mapping method find book with this @path variable. If you're not familiar with that, what that does is it